My name is Justin Hutchinson, and I'm Director of Product Management for Microsoft Office. This is Rachel Drossman, and Rachel and I are going to show you a little bit about what's new in Office 2010 and what's new with the Office web apps and Windows Live. So if you take a look at these screens, you see this is PowerPoint 2010. In PowerPoint 2010, there's a bunch of new changes. It's easier to work with photos. It's easier to insert video from the web. And one of the things we're really excited about is that it's easier to edit, share, and access your documents from anywhere using Office 2010 and using the web apps and Windows Live. So here, inside Office, I can actually go to Backstage. This area is called Backstage. I can click Share, and I can actually save my PowerPoint to the web using Windows Live SkyDrive. And this lets me do a couple things. First, I can access the document from anywhere. And the second is then I can share it with other people who I want to work with, or with other people who might be interested in the document. So here you see the folders I can save it to, and if I go up to the web, this is what SkyDrive looks like. Windows Live SkyDrive is free. It's an online storage space for all your documents. You get 25 gigabytes of free storage. And if I save my documents here, I can go back up and I can click on that document, and you see here I have the option to view it, to edit it, or to download. And I'm going to choose to edit it. And what you see happening right now is it is actually opening this document on the web in a browser, and we're looking at the PowerPoint web app. The PowerPoint web app lets me do lightweight creation and editing of a document on the web. It's perfect for if I'm away from my PC and I need to make quick changes, or if I'm sharing a document with someone and they're making quick changes to the document. So here you can see, just like I can do on the PC, I can make simple changes to the doc. So I can change the title. I can increase the size of the font. I can format text. I can insert smart art here. And I'm doing all of this live on the web using Office 2010 and the web applications. And I can also play a slideshow. So just within a browser, I can take these slides that I just modified. You click slideshow, and it'll actually play slides in the slideshow. And again, this is all happening online in real time on the web using Windows Live SkyDrive and the Office web apps. The other thing to show you is working together at the same time, co-authoring with the web apps in Excel. With the release of the Office Beta and the Office Web Apps Technical Preview, you'll be able to work with Word, PowerPoint, and Excel web apps. And if I open this Excel web app here, you actually see a document I created in the full version of Excel. I can choose to edit that document. It'll open it up, and again, this is in the browser. It's opening up Excel, and you can see a pretty good-looking spreadsheet here, just like I can do on the PC in the browser. I can edit text, and you'll see the chart automatically update.
Yeah, I'll see you.
I can insert
We'll have this
column.
Cool. See ya.
And I can also work with other people. So at this point, I'm going to ask Rachel, who's sitting at this PC, to sign into this document. I'm going to take my hands off. Rachel's going to sign in, and she's going to make some changes to the document.
Great. So here you'll see that I have Windows Live open, and when I click Edit on that document, it'll actually bring me into the same document that Justin was just working on. So if I scroll over here, you'll see that same document, including the column that he just added. And so in the Excel web app, not only can you change individual cells and see the formatting update, you can also do things like formulas. So for example, I will create a sum formula here, and you'll see as I type that the drop-down menu, just like you'll see in Excel, of those formulas. And I can actually get a total of the values here. And because this is a table, it should auto-update there in the column. And again, my conditional formatting transfers over to that as well. So super easy for me to make changes. You'll see down here in the right-hand corner that there's actually 2 people editing that spreadsheet. So Justin knows that I'm actually in the spreadsheet, and he can contact me if he has any questions about things that I'm working on or wants to chat live about what we're doing. And then you'll see that updated quickly in Justin's form of the spreadsheet, so he knows exactly what I'm doing and sees the latest changes.
So with that, I will say to Rachel, thank you. Please log out of the document. And that is a great scenario. We know a lot of people at home, a lot of small businesses are working together in different places, and it gives you a solution to store your document in one place online for free, and then 2 people can work on the same document at the same time. Here I'm going to then take that document we just made changes to, and I'm going to open it in Excel. And there's a button inside the web app that lets me just click one click. It's going to open that document in Excel, and you can see all the changes that I made using just a web browser, and all the changes that Rachel made to the document are intact and are right there. So that's just a quick demonstration of how Office 2010, the web apps, and Windows Live will make it easier to work together from anywhere, to edit and share and access your documents. Thanks.